Hi! In front of me is REALME C53 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, go into Photos app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. I will go with this one. Now to pick multiples right away, click on this icon at the top right corner of every section. To exclude some of your photos, tap on the chosen ones. To delete the rest, choose Delete option at the bottom and confirm your choice by choosing Got It in the pop-up. Lastly, hit Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!